just getting started on this one. Posted a video of this one previously. It made like right around 900, and it came back one more time since then. Tried to change up a few things. It didn't quite go as planned. So we got a new blower this time, new throttle body, a couple other things. Just made 689 from just a small pull from 2,000 to 4,000 RPM. And let's see how much it's up over last time. So like 4,000, 4,200 RPM, it's up like 25, 30 horsepower so far. And it's still real rich, so it looks promising. Should hopefully make a little bit more power. All right, I don't remember if I said or not yet, but my buddy Tim Haines is tuning this one. He's been tuning this car for a while now. And we're gonna rev this one into about 5,000 RPM. I absolutely despise this push button start in these things. And this is one of the loudest street cars on all of planet Earth. Right about 100 horsepower so far.
Help me out, Joe. I have no idea how to read this shit.
So basically the blue is last time you were here.
Okay.
The red is the first run that we made, and then the yellow is the second run. So you're up roughly 100 horsepower from where you were before.
Wow.
And I've been doing this with Tim long enough to know that he's probably got a bunch of timing pulled out of it and whatnot. So it'll probably still go up from there. And then obviously with RPM, it's going to continue to rise. So it looks promising so far.
Music, unlike last time.
Yeah, last time didn't go so good.
No.
Last time the brick in the intercooler started leaking, so that was all bad. Actually got to put this one on the dyno. I'll tune this one with Holley. Whoa, almost died. So it probably goes without saying that after getting to that 900 horsepower mark, the goal is to make 1,000. We're going to rev this one to 6,000, and if it picks up like it did going from 4 to 5, from 5 to 6, it might get pretty close on this one. That's just messed up. 994.
They never said winning was easy.
That's just God messing with you right there to get that close.
Man.
A little more RPM this time. $1,050.
NSS.
This motherfucking getting that money thing. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay. How you doing, man?
Not bad. How are you? You gonna sleep better tonight?
I am.
Knowing you finally made it?
I am, man. I am.
Gonna attempt for a couple hundred more RPM, which probably means I'm just gonna blast into the rev limiter. But let's see, maybe I'll make a couple more horsepower. It's already made all it needs to make, so a little more would be just added bonus. No real change in power on that one. How much power do you think it's gonna pick up with ice? What's your guess?
Maybe another 10. Be cool with another 10 or 15.
The ice is an interesting one because I see it go both directions. I see it do next to nothing, and then I see it pick up a whole bunch. So
Really?
I never really know what to expect.
Looks like he said he may have found the peak where we are, but he just wants to
Yeah.
see what it does.
Yeah, that's. I mean, while you're here, you got to try everything to see what works and what doesn't.
Absolutely.
Probably just do one more run, at least on video, anyways, with a bag of ice and let it cool off a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna run the fan. Might do some more cleanup stuff after that, but at least for the sake of this video, this will probably be the last run. Basically, let it cool off and added some ice this time. Let's see what happens. Oh God, I hate this stupid button. No change again. Well, that's actually good that it makes the same power without having to keep icing it every second of the day. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. As always, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time.